Hi, I'm Neha and I'm a developer advocate at Zyte. And I'm super excited to be the part of Extract Summit this year as a speaker. When I was preparing for this talk, the only question I had on my mind was how do I serve web scraping developers and maximize their chances of winning at web scraping projects? So, to answer this question, I interviewed PMs, solution architects, developers, and downloaded a lot of information on how at Zyte we plan and prepare and put together different pieces of a complex web scraping project. So in this talk, Architecting a Scalable Web Scraping Solution, I will share with you my learnings in a form of framework that will force you to plan and prepare for the most common challenges beforehand in scaling your web scraping project by answering the most basic yet important questions. Extract Summit is happening in London September 29th and I'll see you there.